Hello, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to make social profile on Snapchat. Profiles make it easy to find and info Snapchat features that you care about the most. Learn what's available in my profile, public profiles, friendship profiles, group profile, and public profiles for business. You can help catch bugs and may be able to test out Snapchat features before they release with Snapchat's beta program. My profile pictures your Snapchat info like your Bitmoji, location on the map, friends info, and more. It's now easier than ever to manage your story as well as to check out who's views it. You can customize your 3D Bitmoji header by tapping it or pulling down your profile card, share your customized post and the background to the other platforms by tapping the share icon at the top of the screen. One more customization on your 3D Bitmoji. Change your Bitmoji avatar style to deluxe for additional options. Public profiles enables Snapchatters ages 18 and older to be discovered in the app. On the top of increased visibility, a public profile grants access to a handful of tools like showcasing stories, lenses, and subscriber count. Keep in mind, you may not be able to create a public profile if you do not adhere to community guidelines. So, how to create public profile? To create public profile, go to your profile, then scroll down to the public profile section and tap create public and just continue this one and get started and create. Follow the on-screen instructions to create your public profile and you can edit it now. So I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly leave it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!